5 Best Grinders. Here is the product number 5. QSTEXPRESS 100 volts to 240 volts Mini Electric Engraving Pen DIY Engraver. Personalize your sporting gear, children's toys, gift, tools etc. Everlasting message on gifts and trophies. Security identification on valuable appliance. It is a good tool for you to DIY the special gift for your lover, friends, family etc. Application: metal, stone, glass, wood, surface engraving. Package included: 1 PCX engraving pen, 6 PCX diamond grinding head, 6 PCX sandpaper grinding head, 1 PCX metal chuck, 1 PCX adapter. Note: please allow 1 to 2 cm errors due to manual measurement. Here is the product number 4. MAXMAN Professional Electric Mini Die Grinder Dremel Tool. Name: MAXMAN Professional Electric Mini Die Grinder 0.6-6.5 mm Chuck Variable Speed Rotary Tool Multifunctional DIY Multi-Power Tools. Scope of application: stone carving, stone cutting, wood cutting, metal polishing, metal cutting, wood polishing. Rated input power: 400 watts voltage, 220 volts frequency, 50-60 Hz no load speed, 5000 to 8000 R per minute. Plug type: European standard, call it 0.6-6.5 mm. Here is the product number 3. 2018 NewArrivalMultifunction Electric Knife Sharpener Drill. This machine is suitable for beginners to grind and sharpen various tools in home. The angle and width are adjustable, especially for the novice to grind and sharpen planer iron, chisels, knives, scissors, drills, and etc. Specifications: 1. The voltage: 230 volts 240 volts. 2. The power, current, 96 watts. 3. No load speed, 1350 revolutions per minute. 4. The maximum wheel diameter: 56 mm, grid size, 180 mesh, special bowl-shaped grinding wheel. 5. Here is the product number 2. Electric Grinder Mini Drill Dremel Grinding Set 12 volts DC. The grinder engraving kit is necessary for DIY carving and grinding. This electric carving tool has very mini grinder body, convenient to use, suitable for agate nuclear carving, wood carving, a fine aluminum plate, printed circuit board, printed board, perfect electric grinder for cutting, engraving, milling, grinding, polishing, removing and drilling. Specifications: color, green, speed, 12,000 RPM, collet size, 0.5 to 3.2 mm, frequency, 50-60 Hz, type, drill, polisher, cutting voltage. Here is the product number 1. HILDA 400 watts Mini Electric Drill with 6-position variable speed. 32 mm 4 PCs sanding discs, 36 PCs cut-off wheels, 22 mm 1 PCs mandrel screw type, 2 PCs grinding stone column shape red, dia 9.5 mm, 1 PCs grinding stone column shape red, dia 15 mm, 1 PCs grinding stone bullet shape red, 1 PCs grinding stone T-shape green, dia 10 mm, 1 PCs grinding stone T-shape green, dia 20 mm, 1 PC's dressing stone wheel, 1 PC's felt polishing wheel 1 inch, 2 PC's felt polishing wheel 1/2 inch, 5 PC's mandrel standard type. Check the description below for the link. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.